Today we got Foodie Phil cooking oysters.
Bain Sound oysters from Union Bay on Island Highway.
That's on the Big Island. That's on Vancouver Island.
Vancouver Island, up by
Courtney?
Yeah, between Courtney and Qualicum.
Oh, they smell good.
Yeah, and it's called Bain Sound oysters, and you can buy them right there.
These are fresh oysters right from the North Pacific here.
Yep. You got these ones, and then you got the ones at Fanny Bay. That's the ones I always ate all the time.
How are you cooking? You got to flip them?
Yep, we got to flip them.
You want a flipper? Where's a flipper?
Oh, right there.
Here's a flipper.
And a fork. And
you're the chef here.
Yep. So the Fanny Bay oysters are big, giant ones. These are small ones, and man, are they...
How are you cooking these things? Like, what's on them?
Just egg and flour.
Yeah, you might want to flip them. Hopefully they're not burning.
Yeah. Okay.
They're ready. We're going to flip these guys. What did you say you had on them? Panko?
No, egg and flour.
Oh, just egg and flour.
Yeah, I've done panko before. Panko is good, but I just seem to like the egg and flour.
Oh, they smell good.
Much better.
So when it's brown on either side, then they're ready to eat.
Yeah.
I mean, you can eat oysters raw if you want.
Yeah. And when you're buying oysters, look at the date on them.
Yeah, no, you want fresh.
Make sure you know, not less than 6 days. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If you
Fresh is best.
Yeah. If you, usually when they first come out, it's usually 11, 12 days. Yeah. Before you eat them. And but you can go right down to
nice. Well, you know, we got a lot on our beaches here too.
Oh yeah,
there's a lot of oysters on Salt Spring Island. Some with pearls in them too. Oh, those look nice.
Oh, yeah. Here we go. Oh yeah.
A lot of people don't like oysters because they're too gooey for them, but
these are not gooey.
These are nice.
Once they have these ones, yeah. I eat Fanny Bay about once every 3 weeks. But now that I had these ones, they're smaller. I think they're called Como. Oh, I forgot the name. It's K-O-M-O something else. But man, are they good.
Nice golden brown happening there.
Yeah.
So these guys are going to be ready to eat soon, and we're doing the cast iron cooking. You put a little olive oil in there?
Oh yeah.
Olive oil.
Yeah, olive oil or avocado oil.
How many eggs did you use?
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
And
how much flour? Let's see the mix. Oh, there's the mix.
And then we're going to throw that.
Oh, you put it in there?
That's the egg only. Egg with oyster juice.
Oh, I see, okay.
And then you fry it up.
Okay.
So you got an egg, oyster egg omelet.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right, folks, those are Phil's fancy oysters.
Yeah.
There you go.
Bye-bye.
There's the chef right there. There he is. Yahoo! Thanks for watching.
Love these.
Oh, man, they smell good.
Oh, do they ever.
For all your oyster lovers out there, the easy way to cook oysters in a egg and flour batter. And I know a lot of people do panko, which is breadcrumbs, right?
Yeah.
It's not kind of crackers.
Panko
is kind of like a crummy.
Yeah. I've done panko before. It's good, but I just love the flour and egg better. You know. And
beautiful.
And these
very nice.
Just
there you go.
Cooked, but they're cooked.
Nice. Looks good.
All right. And then you take this guy and just throw him in here.
The egg. You got the batter kind of like stuff.
No flour, just the egg.
Okay, the egg.
So which one is this one right here?
No, this one right here.
Yep.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah. Good.
Cool, and you're going to cook that up, and it's going to be like
oh man,
oyster egg.
Yeah.
Oyster egg.
Oh, man,
all right.
Good.
Okay, we'll bring them all outside.
Yeah.
Gotta like that, eating oysters outside on a winter day here in the Gulf Islands. Let's have a look, see what we got here.
So Phil's got.
We got fresh oysters. We got what are those, margaritas?
Margarita.
Yeah, we're gonna have.
And you got wine and margaritas.
Oh yeah.
Foodie Phil. And I think I got a margarita too.
I put some sriracha in if you want a spicy one.
Kuka sriracha.
Oh yeah.
Nice. It's warm out here. It's a beautiful day
So good.
on the rock. Late winter on Salt Spring Island.
Oh yeah.
All right, folks. Bon appetit.
Cheers and aloha.
Yeah, cheers and aloha. Yeah, thanks, Phil.
Good.
Those are going to be good oysters.
Oh, that's good.
Cheers.